What's up, you cute little number crunchers? Do you remember that game, Number Crunchers? You had to do math problems and you got to eat things when you got the right answer. Man, I'm old, and man, that was fun. And yes, I'm wearing the same overshirt as I was yesterday. Get over it. Typewriter Series 454 today. Here's your wheat paper. It's orange. It's very ripped. This one is kind of like a prayer for peace and for calm when you are feeling neither of those two inside your soul. And I like the sound of this one. So if you're stuck somewhere, you can use this. Here we go. Weary hands and heavy hearts, be still. Swollen eyes and stolen breath, be still. Shaking skin and soul-sick sighs, be still. Unheld glances and untouched fingers, be still. Be still. Be still. I love you a lot. I'll see you tomorrow.